Christmas is coming up and I have a lot of younger cousins and a lot of younger family members, so I wanted to get them a little gift. I have this little girl in my family and she's my little princess. I love her to death. It is just this makeup LED light mirror kit for kids. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then obviously I'm going to put it back in the box so I can give it to her for Christmas. So as I'm opening the box, it has this little handle and I'm just pulling it out right here. This is what it looks like. This is the front of it. It's just this blue, kind of like Cinderella. It has a little thing right here. This does not move, but this does, and all you have to do is lift that up. This is to die for, and you just have to take that off, and then it's an LED mirror. You have a screwdriver, a little tiara, and that's it. So what comes in this is you have some blush right here. You have 5 different shades as well as a little blush brush, and then on this side it's just going to be some lip gloss. I used to have these as kids and it was nowhere near this nice. You have some face powder. You have some lipsticks, and these are all real makeup. You have a little sponge if you want to paint their nails, which it does come with nail polish. You have 3 different glitter nail polishes. You have a little necklace, and then 2 lip glosses, and then of course some makeup brushes. I know that the little girl in my family is going to love this. She's a little princess and we love her so very much, and so I'm really excited that I can give this to her. So if you're looking for a nice Christmas gift to give to your little ones, or if your little ones just love makeup, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.